myself. Hi, my name is Ariel, if you don't already know. So today we're going to do a everyday makeup look that I do when I wear makeup. I don't wear it that much because before COVID I wear no makeup because I'm gonna wear makeup to work. Who I'm trying to please? Nobody. Tired of seeing everybody. When I do go out and I want to wear makeup, this is kind of the basic, simple kind of everyday makeup look for me if I do wear makeup and I'm not trying to do too much. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you like it. And FYI, I'm not a professional. There's nothing professional about this or me in my life. Even so, nothing professional. Just a grown baby. We're going to start off with primer. Actually, no. Start off with a clean base. Do your skin routine and then do makeup. Don't think you don't have to do your skin routine because you're gonna put on makeup. Before I used to think that was like, what's the point of doing your skin routine if you're gonna put makeup on? That's how you don't, break out, and your makeup actually looks better when you do your skin routine. Just so you know. So we're gonna start off with the Hourglass face primer. Yes, it looks dingy. Hourglass face primer in Veil. It is about $75. It is a little pricey, but it lasts a long time. I had this for maybe like a year or so. And when does it expire? 10/20. Oop, it's expired. Oop. They also give samples. And that's what made me like this. I tried a sample and I just was... and I put a little more in my T-zone, which is the most sweatiest area, especially my forehead. God, I put a lot of primer on, but for me, and put it on your eyelids because I don't use eye primer. Next, we're gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use Revlon's Color Stay in brown pencil in the color dark brown. It has a slight slant to it. See? So it will always stay a sharp, a sharp point to it. So I like that. Because who wants to sharpen an eyebrow pencil? So I'm just going to do a little subtle, natural. I am not a professional, so don't look at me crazy. At the top, trace it out, and kind of get where I want the top line to be. And let's see how it looks together when I do both. Only one thing I hate about doing my eyebrows first before makeup, my eyebrows always look harsh. And then when I do my makeup, I'm like, oh, they look great. Oh yeah. Like Michelle Phan says, sisters, not twins. Your eyebrows don't have to look exactly like... Let me stop using that excuse to having messed up looking eyebrows. Makes sense. Conceal. I'm going to be using e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in the color Deep Chestnut. This is hydrating because my skin does get oily, but it could end up looking too dry, and then my skin gets dry, and then I have like combination skin. So, and it's also cold right now, so a little bit under my eye, right here. Then I'm gonna put it right here with all the little dark spots on, and this little nice little pimple area right here. God, I am just my skin's a mess. I'm gonna use this brush I got off of AliExpress. I need to clean it. I'm not gonna clean it because I just bought a new set and I'm just throwing it away. Look at me messing up the environment. It's a little light, especially the fact that it's, it's winter time, so no sun, and especially with COVID, you're really not going out. I hope this turns out great, because don't forget my mustache. I got a little mustache. It's okay, girls. Everybody got mustache. Looking like an egg. A little bit of creasing under my eyes, so I'm just gonna kind of make sure they on there. Oh, someone's getting older. I usually don't have those eyes. Oh snap. So next I'm gonna do the foundation, which is Fenty's Pro Filter Hydration Longwear Foundation 440. And I have the matte one, but since it's winter, I'm gonna use hydrating. One pump is enough for me. Honestly, that was like half a pump. So that little dab is enough for me. Put it on in the around areas. Things. Honestly, I put more concealer than I put foundation. Blend it down your neck and your ears, because people forget the ears too, babe. Don't forget the ears. And also, make sure when you do your, if you have a nose piercing, make sure you clean your nose piercing after. You know, you want that thing to bling bling. Contour. I don't want it to look muddy because I'm gonna use powder actually. So I'm gonna use the Black Radiance contour palette, medium to dark. The powder one, not the cream one. I have the cream one. Sometimes I like to use the cream and then set the contour with this. So it could be extra stern. And look how hit pan anybody know. Scoop out my chin, on my cheek. See, a little bit. I don't like going too far, because when you blend it out, it'll end up going all over the place. Start off with a little bit first. A little bit. Then add a little more aggressive. Blend it up on the sides. So here, blend it up on the sides. I think I'm gonna start using bronzer. Right there, my forehead, big. Let me tell you something. If you got a big forehead, it's the way to go. Gotta make that minimize out as much as you can, but it's okay having a big forehead. I'd rather a big forehead than a small forehead. You can fix a big forehead. Small forehead, you stuck with that for life. I want to kind of do something simple. My everyday makeup is very natural. It's nothing. It's not intense. It's not intense. I like pinks and I like nice coral colors. This is more. I like this color. It's more on the orange side than the copper side, even though the title says copper. And then I'm also going to use their eyeshadow bake pink. It's a pink one. Don't have the name. It's ripped off. The orangey and the all over the lid, and then I'm going to use a little pink in the center of the lid. I'm just going to pat it because it's sparkly. But it's one of those sparkly eyeshadows. If it gets on your, if you get fallout, it looks nice. I don't think you're gonna see it. Yeah, it's noticeable. Not too much. I don't want to do too much. Really rub it in. Rub like a pervert. And then pat it in. And then blend it out. And I'm gonna do the pink. I'm gonna use it. Where should I use pink? In the center and then my tear duct. I like it. I like it a lot. Can't wait for the summer. I like bright colors. Over there, tear duct, or pink. Like a beachy, corally kind of look to it. I like it. Oh snap! I forgot to contour my nose. I don't do that then. Now this could be a hit or miss. I still don't know how to do my eyeliner. This is e.l.f.'s black. It is not waterproof, and I kind of like that, but then I don't like it. Because the waterproof one I have smudges so easily when it's not fully dry. But this one dries quickly. Just don't cry. That's harder for me to do because I'm always crying. When am I not crying? Well, I do small cat eyes. I don't do big ones. I'd start off small because then when I mess up, then I could do a big one. Start from the center and then work your way to the end and then work your way into the tear duct, the wing part. Start off small because then you can build up when you mess up. Because I always mess up. Kind of look at your other cat eye before you start this one to like really get the distance from where the eyebrow is and everything. Look at me acting like I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna work on that. See, look at that. Uneven. We're gonna work that. We're gonna work it out. What I get from the rim, don't dip it in because sometimes you don't need that much. You just need a little bit. It's doable. I like it. Hardcore stuff. I just like a little subtleness. Because when you do all that, and then it goes away, and then you look a little weird for me. And get a little right there. Highlighter ones. I'm gonna use the True Complexion Contour Highlighter. A little bit. I'm not gonna do mascara because I don't got any. Then I'm gonna use the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And under my a little bit. I don't bake. I mean, sweep. I don't do that baking. I do, but not really. Not every day. Tell. Sweep. We'll sweep. So it can last all day. And also, with me wearing mask, I have to like kind of like really set my foundation, because if you're going out to eat and you take off your mask, then you're gonna like half your face is melted off. A little bit for the mustache. Am I missing? Lips. NYX Ginger Snap. This is the Revlon.com. It's like one of the best nude lipsticks I have. I mean, best nude shades. Honestly, I'm not gonna be cute. I need to shave this mustache. I've been taking Main Choice Biotin. It makes your hair grow, but it makes your hair grow everywhere. So, what else am I missing? This is it. Is this it? It is it. I don't do eyelashes. I'm not that good. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, my hair looks a mess. I don't do my edges. Just so you know, I'm not one of baby hairs. No, I do not foresee that happening. No, not in my future. Hey, that's it. I'm done. Not too bad. Not too bad. Could it do better? But not too bad. Not too bad. And I'm about to wash this off and then go to bed. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the look. I'm not the best. I'm not a professional. I can only do my face. And I barely do that well, so don't judge me. I see it. We're done. Bonito. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you like, what you dislike, what you do for your face. Do you wear makeup? Maybe you don't. It's okay.